read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Our Rasool, Hazrat Muhammad, Rasulullah Khataman Nabiyyin Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, is the last Rasool of Allah Almighty. No Rasool will come after Hazrat Muhammad, Rasulullah Khataman Nabiyyin Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hazrat Muhammad, Rasulullah Khataman Nabiyyin Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, was born in Makkah in 570 AD. His father, Hazrat Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anhu, had died before he was born. His mother, Amina radiallahu ta'ala anha, died when he was only 6 years old. He was first brought up by his grandfather and then his uncle. Since his childhood, he was known for his honesty and truthfulness. People of Makkah called him as the honest and the truthful. He was a great example for others.